Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to write emails with Chatgpt. So let's begin the video. First, open Chatgpt on your computer or mobile phone. Then sign into your account. Once you are on the Chatgpt home screen, here you will see the message box. Now tell Chatgpt what your email is about. Then write it down. Then click on the send button. ChatGPT will create an email draft for you. For a better result, include important information such as who the email is for, the reason for writing, important dates, the tone you want, the action you are requesting. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful the email will be. If you don't like the past draft, ask ChatGPT to improve it. For example, you can make it more professional or casual, or you can make it short or long. Once you are happy with the email, you can copy the mail and paste it into your email address. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.